Well, hello there, Internet. My name is Kevin from Cleverbox Artworks. I recently purchased a CNC machine from a Chinese company called Style CNC, and they use the LNC MW2200 controller, and there's really not a lot of information out there about this controller. So I thought I'd make a few videos just to help people like myself who have just purchased one and are struggling with trying to figure out how the thing works. This is my first attempt at a YouTube channel, so apologies if the video quality isn't very professional. I will get better. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how to load a program into your CNC. First thing we do is head over to the console. You can see there, that's the USB port. So I've got a USB stick in there right now. That's where the program is stored. I'm just going to zoom in on the control. So the first thing we have to do to load is we have to get it from the USB stick into the memory of the machine. So we go USB imp, this right here, USB imp. That brings up a list of all the files that are on the USB stick, and you can see I have 3 of them. I'm just going to pick the first one. And then what we do is you then hit F6 or the send command, and what that does is that sends it from the USB stick to the memory of the machine, and you can see that it's in the machine now. The next step is to load that file into the system itself. So we go to the file command. It brings up a list of the files that exist within the machine's memory. We're going to pick the one that I want, in which case it's the Cleverbox sign, hit OK. And now you can see here it's starting to load. It's a fairly large file. I like to hit the graph key. Usually have to hit it twice. It takes just this particular file seems to take a little bit to get going, but you'll see in a few moments that the system actually traces the path of what the model is going to do. And you can see it there whizzing away. That's the tool path that the machine is going to take. And I find it really helpful to watch this. Even though this takes a few minutes, I do find it helpful to watch it. I have caught a couple of mistakes where the tool path shown on the machine is not what I was expecting, and I had to go back to the design, the CAM system, to edit something. So it's well worth it. This particular file is doing an adaptive 2D adaptive run. I'm simply surfacing a piece of wood, leaving an embossed square or diamond shape, and I'm using a 1/4 inch flat mill, and so I'm taking 2 passes at 1/8 of an inch each, and that's all it's doing is just surfacing it, taking it down 1/4 of an inch and leaving myself an embossed diamond. And that's it. That's how you load a file. Have a great day.